If you're considering Preply for learning a new language or improving your skills, there are a few things you should know before jumping in. This guide will cover the 7 key points to keep in mind, and by the end, you'll know exactly if this platform is right for you. Stick around to the end, because I'm also going to show you how to get the best offer and try Preply for free. First off, Preply is a tutoring platform that connects you with language teachers from all over the world. Compared to competitors like Italki or Verbling, Preply has one of the most extensive networks of tutors, which gives you a lot of flexibility in choosing someone who suits your learning style and goals. But the sheer number of choices can also be a bit overwhelming. So, if you don't know where to start, it might take some time to find a tutor who really clicks with you. This is something to consider before diving in. Next thing to know, Preply offers a wide range of languages. Whether you're looking to learn Spanish, French, Chinese, or even less commonly spoken languages, Preply has you covered. One of the biggest advantages it offers over some competitors is the ability to find native speakers from all parts of the world, making it a great option for anyone looking to get authentic language experience. The third thing to keep in mind is their pricing structure. Preply's pricing isn't fixed across the board. It varies by tutor. You'll find that some tutors are more expensive than others, but it's not necessarily a reflection of their quality. With prices ranging from $5 to $40 an hour, it's important to consider your budget before booking lessons. You can find affordable options, but there's always the temptation to spend more, especially if you're looking for a highly experienced tutor. The good news is, Preply frequently offers discounts for first-time users or those buying lessons in bulk, so if you're looking for the best deal, you'll want to shop around. The fourth thing to consider is the flexibility of lessons. Preply offers a lot of flexibility when it comes to scheduling. Unlike traditional language schools that have fixed schedules, Preply allows you to choose the time that works best for you. This is a major benefit if you have a busy lifestyle or live in a different time zone than your tutor. This flexibility makes it a strong competitor in this space, especially when compared to platforms like Italki, which can have more rigid scheduling. Next, let's talk about the quality of the tutors. Preply's system allows you to check out tutors' profiles, watch introductory videos, and read reviews from other students, which is a great way to get an idea of their teaching style before booking a lesson. However, one thing to note is that not all profiles are created equal. Some tutors may not have detailed descriptions or professional videos, which can make it harder to gauge the level of teaching you can expect. You'll need to sift through the profiles to find the best ones, but once you do, the quality is often top-notch. The sixth thing you need to know is Preply's lesson format. Lessons are conducted over video calls, and you get access to their platform for lesson notes and materials. It's a great option for anyone who's looking to track their progress, but it may not be ideal for those who want face-to-face interaction or a more hands-on learning experience. But if you're okay with the digital format, it works seamlessly and keeps everything organized. It's especially convenient if you prefer to learn at your own pace, in your own space. Finally, the seventh thing to know. Preply offers a satisfaction guarantee. If you're not happy with your first lesson, you can get a refund. This feature gives you peace of mind, especially if you're worried about committing to a tutor without knowing how well you'll click. This isn't something you'll find on every language learning platform, which can make Preply stand out in a crowded market. Now, if you're ready to dive into Preply, you can get the best deal available by clicking the first link in the description below. You'll get exclusive access to the best free trial offer, plus some bonuses to help you get started on your language learning journey. Trust me, you don't want to miss out on this, so click the link below to take advantage of it.